Hello everyone! In today's adventure, we embark on an odyssey through the awe-inspiring realm of Greek mythology, uncovering the saga of the Titanomachy. We'll delve into the cosmic battles between titans and gods, the shifting tides of power, and the timeless stories that have been woven into the very fabric of history. So grab your seat and prepare to be transported into an age of myth, mystery, and might, where legends come to life. The Titanomachy, or War of the Titans, is an epic saga from Greek mythology that narrates the cosmic battle between the older generation of gods, the Titans, and the younger generation, the Olympians. This colossal struggle wasn't just a fight for supremacy. It represented the clash of old and new, order and chaos, shaping the very fabric of Greek cosmology. In the beginning, the universe was formed from chaos, and from this primordial void emerged Gaia, Uranus, Tartarus, and Eros. Gaia and Uranus gave birth to the Titans, among them Kronos and Rhea. Uranus, fearing the power of his offspring, imprisoned the youngest of them, the Cyclopes and the Tıtanomachy, in the depths of Tartarus, causing great distress to Gaia. Gaia, longing to free her children and end Uranus's reign, conspired with her son Kronos. Kronos, wielding a sickle, ambushed Uranus, overthrowing him and establishing the rule of the Titans, with himself as their leader. However, Kronos was haunted by a prophecy that foretold his downfall at the hands of his own children. To prevent this fate, he consumed each of his offspring at birth. Rhea, heartbroken by the loss of her children and determined to save her youngest, Zeus, tricked Kronos by giving him a rock wrapped in cloth to swallow instead. Zeus was secreted away and nurtured in hiding, growing in strength and wisdom far from his father's gaze. When the time was ripe, Zeus, with the guidance of Gaia, initiated his campaign to rescue his siblings and claim his rightful place. He managed to liberate his brothers and sisters from Kronos' belly with the help of Magnates, who provided a potion that forced Kronos to regurgitate the divine offspring. With the stage set for an epic confrontation, the Titans, led by Kronos, fortified their position, ready to quash the rebellion. Zeus, rallying the Olympians and securing the allegiance of other powerful entities like the Cyclopes and the Tıtanomachy, prepared for war. The Cyclopes, in gratitude for their freedom, bestowed Zeus with his thunderbolts, Poseidon with his trident, and Hades with his helmet of invisibility. The war, known as the Titanomachy, raged for 10 long years, a brutal and relentless conflict that saw neither side gaining a decisive upper hand. The battleground spanned the breadth of creation, from the heights of Olympus to the pits of Tartarus. It was the counsel of Gaia that eventually turned the tide. She foretold that victory for the Olympians was only attainable with the aid of the Tıtanomachy, the mighty, hundred-handed ones. Their inclusion in the Olympian ranks brought overwhelming force to Zeus's side, ultimately leading to the defeat of the Titans. In the aftermath, a new order was established. The defeated Titans were imprisoned in Tartarus, with the exception of those who had sided with Zeus. Atlas, a Titan who had fought against the Olympians, was specially punished. He was condemned to bear the weight of the sky on his shoulders for eternity. The reign of the Olympians began, with Zeus as the supreme deity, ruling the sky and thunder, Poseidon claiming dominion over the seas, and Hades presiding over the underworld. The Titanomachy was more than a mere battle. It was a foundational event that marked the transition from the old order to the new, setting the stage for the age of the Olympians. It symbolizes the eternal struggle between opposing forces, the enduring quest for power, and the cyclical nature of time and existence. The echoes of this mighty clash resonate through the annals of Greek mythology, a timeless reminder of the complexities of the cosmos and the human condition.